Hello and good day to all of you. So we will discuss on this lesson the coverage of the electrical transients, and we will discuss this one on its corresponding subtopics. But before we do that, I want to thank all of you, to those who subscribed, who shared, and our channel here. As of the moment, we have 426 subscribers. I want to thank all of you for trusting me here. So I will try my best to give you the lecture as clear as possible, and I will improve the pedagogy of teaching and also my studio. As you can see, we already have, you can hear me clearly, and I have an improved lighting. So hopefully it will improve more on my succeeding lessons. Now I can describe or discuss the coverage or what you will expect. So the coverage of electrical transients is DC transient and AC transients. So the DC transients has its corresponding subtopics. We'll first discuss RL series, RC series, and RLC series. So RLC series is so-called a double transient, simply because when you say a double transient, you have two energy storage here, which is L and C. And AC transients, which is in terms of RL and RC series respectively. So I will discuss only simple connections, simply because when you have a bigger or complex systems, we will have a hard time to analyze them using differential equations and other methods. But typically, we will discuss first DC transients, and they are derived on simple switching. And simple switching or simple transient is based on switching parameters, load, changing of loads, and faults. So there are many types of transients that we can describe and discuss on the next few lessons. So our parameters here is already R, L, and C. We will discuss a little bit of them when we go to the next few slides. And AC transients. The only difference is DC means direct current, so means the signal is a straightforward signal here. When you say an AC transient, the signal or the input is sinusoidal. So we will tackle this more, discuss this more on the next few slides. Thank you, and maraming pong salamat.